Hey y'all, Carolina Tony here. Today the road brings me to Florence, South Carolina, and we are standing outside of the Spirit of Halloween store. There are actually two locations here in Florence, and I am going to check both of them out today, and you get to come inside with me, and we're just going to see just how terrified Halloween has become. We'll get started right after the station identification. Okay, so hold on to your hats.
I knew you would be here soon. You could say I have eyes all over. Remember, wherever you run, my crows and I will find you.
I do not even think I would want to keep that in my house.
Right now, they're busy burying something in the backyard.
Oh, I love
But
this.
we'll have loads of fun.
That's pretty cool. This castle is made out of cardboard. It looks kind of real. Yes, this is the look at there. Well, let's see. Right out of a horror movie. I love all these animatronics. Take one only, please. I wasn't expecting that. There's all kinds of Friday the 13th stuff. The door knocker. It's on the Haunted Mansion. Check this out. New movie coming out, Hocus Pocus 2, and of course Disney is going to capitalize on it. Now look at this. There's another. Let's see what we have. And I don't know what makes him work, but I think it's this.
Make way for the toxic buzz. Pretty soon I'll have this whole block covered. And then I'll say, sweet dreams.
And what's this going to do? A little footprint.
Pray for the dead and the dead. We'll pray
Yeah.
for you. You can pray for
Another one. Let's see what happens here.
God will carry on.
sack of bones. Look at this. I like that. The little backdrop. Hey, maybe here.
You killed your mother. You left her alone to die. Keep away. The sow is mine.
Now, back when I was a little kid, at Halloween, you had a choice. You could go in the store and buy a little box with a thin mask, along with a little costume that you step in and tie around your neck, or either make it out of cardboard and paper bags yourself. See what's here. Oh, I'm being electrified. The floor I'm standing on is vibrating. Here's a little costume here. What does the fox say? It's these types of masks right here. When I was a kid, that's about all that you could get. In fact, it's called a vintage monster mask. Even this one, I remember that. I had a mask like that in a cardboard box body. And of course, you can get all types of skeletons, even an octopus skeleton. And a bag of bones. I'm about to blow up hers. What happens here?
Have you come for a treat?
How about this huge animatronic for $300? Let's see what it does. That's it? Oh, here's another one. Let's energize. That's pretty realistic. Okay, well, I hope you have enjoyed our trip to the spirit of Halloween. Some weird stuff in here. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share with your family and friends. And until next time, y'all have a good day.